Understanding cultural blend. A journey through diversity. Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and relevant topic in the English language, cultural blend. We'll dive into what this phrase means and why it's important in our increasingly connected world. Let's get started on this journey of understanding and appreciation. A cultural blend refers to the mixture and integration of different cultural elements, such as traditions, values, and customs, from various groups or societies. This phenomenon often occurs due to migration, globalization, and increased communication between different cultural groups. It's like a melting pot where various cultural ingredients come together to create something new and unique. In this section, we'll look at some real-life examples to understand how cultural blends manifest in everyday life. For instance, fusion cuisine where Italian pasta meets Indian spices, or the blend of African rhythms with Western musical instruments in Afrobeat. These examples show how cultural blends can lead to innovative and enriched experiences. Cultural blending has significant impacts on societies. It fosters mutual understanding and respect among different cultural groups, leading to more harmonious societies. It also encourages creativity and innovation, as new ideas often emerge from the fusion of different perspectives. While cultural blending has many positives, it also comes with challenges. It can lead to the dilution or loss of traditional cultural practices. It's important to balance the celebration of new, blended cultures with the preservation of original cultural heritages. As English language learners, understanding and embracing cultural blends can enrich your learning experience. It helps you appreciate the diverse contexts in which English is spoken and the various cultural influences that shape the language. Thank you for joining us in exploring the concept of cultural blend. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding and appreciation of the rich tapestry of cultures that surround us. Remember, embracing cultural diversity can lead to a more inclusive and vibrant world. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.